Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete Fiverr account permanently. Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step video. First, you just need to log in into your Fiverr account. I also want to remove my Fiverr account. I just created this Fiverr account so that I can show you guys how you can remove it. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on your account profile picture, like your profile picture in the top right. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on settings. Okay, so in the next page, guys, you want to scroll down. As you can see, make sure you click here on account. Okay, make sure you select here account. Okay, so you want to scroll down at the very bottom. You can see here something like I'm leaving, because you just need to give a reason here. I want to change my username. For example, I have another Fiverr account. Help us become better. For example, I have another Fiverr account, for example. After that, you want to click on deactivate account. Okay, as you can see, guys, in the top it says your Fiverr account is closed. So that's exactly, guys, how you can like delete Fiverr account permanently. Okay, so you just need to do the exact same steps I showed you guys, and that's it. Hopefully drop a like. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. See you guys next video.